Okay, guys, now I want to speak about the doctor that was capable to discover that our colon is putrified. Uh, Basically, I am the doctor that was capable to discover that. Basically, this doctor don't discover nothing, only give one name to this phenomenon. That is where the colon is in one putrefied state. And it is because basically there are one presence of mucoid plaque. Uh, the name of the doctor is basically Richard Anderson. That is the doctor that was learned from the previous doctor from his previous professors that also are doctors. And that professors, that masters, that learned Richard Anderson. If you don't know, Richard Anderson is one naturopath, one nutritionist that heal patients from different chronic diseases with natural methods. And was Richard Anderson the person, the nutritionist that gave one name to this to the cause of the putrified colon, and and basically the name that gave to this phenomenon is mucoid plaque. Mucoid plaque, if you check it on internet, is not more that mucoid plaque. It is the mucoid plaque, as you can see. It is a putrefied fecal matter that is creating one putrefied state in many parts of the digestive tract. You can see it. I also had experience with it. Basically, I removed also mucoid plaque. Basically, when I started to remove mucoid plaque recently, I was capable to enhance my condition with fibromyalgia, with gastritis, with repression. You can saw it that this mucoid plaque has the same weight that your colon, or it can also have one form, the way, the form of your small intestine. As you can see, it is more small that this, for instance, and that means that it comes from one small intestine and it is coming uh, from one big intestine. And this is the root cause of the majority of diseases. This is the reason because the majority of patients can heal. This is the reason because the majority of patients have chronic disease, and it is not my words. It is the words of many doctors many years ago. That means that these doctors was capable to find the root cause of the majority of diseases. There are doctors that was capable to completely heal leukemia, that is blood cancer, and only was capable to heal leukemia when remove mucoid plaque from the digestive tract. I don't remember if I am not sure if I am pronouncing correctly it. Uh, I want to be sure.
Leukemia.
Leukemia, yeah, I am right. And not only that, the mucoid plaque. Also, the different doctors affirm that was the root cause of many diseases, as can be high blood pressure, uh, asthma, cardiovascular disease, many many diseases are healed only if once remove mucoid plaque from the digestive tract. Let's to check some paragraphs that I highlight. Dr. James says he states the constipation can be associated with all the hard-net pieces that stick the walls on the colon do not pass. Basically, of course, that it is a cause. It is the cause of constipation, because basically it is accumulated in the digestive tract and it can become hardened, and it also I don't remember the exactly word. It it also becomes a sickness, so sickness that don't allow the right motility in the digestive tract, or basically the colon. And by years it can be constantly accumulate until to create one big mass of putrefied fecal matter. But if you wanted to know how the this mucoid plaque is created, is basically because your body protect from different toxins during your life. For instance, if you are one drinker, if you are one person that constantly consume processed food, your body starts to segregate mucus to protect from those substances. But the problem is that after to protect from that substances, the body can't clean that mucus where basically was used to protect from that substances. But the problem is that now the body can't clean that, because basically the body don't have the required nutrients to remove that. The body are dehydrated. The body don't have the opportunity to remove that from the digestive tract. Think this is the reason, because the this putrefied fecal matter is constantly accumulated in the digestive tract until the point that you start to auto intoxicate through this mucoid plaque. In this way is how different diseases are created. There are doctors that attend many patients, and these doctors confirm that almost 96% of these patients as mucoid plaque accumulate in the digestive tract, even if are not constipated. It is really ugly. The majority of people, but the problem is that now in the current days, the majority of doctors can't heal diseases basically because they are not attacking the root cause of the disease. As was in my case, I had fibromyalgia and gastritis, I had depression, and no doctor was capable to say what is the reason I was sick. Even some doctors was confirming that, was saying that I need one psychologist because the root cause of my diseases are psychological. But the reality wasn't that. The reality is that I had a lot of mucoid plaque accumulated in my digestive tract. I had to realize water fast remove a lot of this mucoid plaque. I of course that I still have accumulated mucoid plaque in my digestive tract. Uh, for a reason I realized I realize normally every month, 1 week or 2 weeks or of water fast to remove this mucoid plaque. Think this is the root cause of the majority of diseases, and this is not my words. I had to in my research. I found this book. If you want to check, if you want to understand more about this mucoid plaque, you can see this book, Purify Thyself. It's one old book, but I believe that, for me at least, I am not one healthcare professional, but for me, because I was capable to reverse my disease, and also I saw many patients that was capable to reverse their diseases doing this, removing mucoid plaque from the digestive tract. I saw that there are different protocols to remove this mucoid plaque. In my case, was water fast, where basically I stopped to consume only foods and consume only juices. Uh, and was with this method that I was capable to remove mucoid plaque from my body. If you want to check more about it, you can see this book. You can check this book from Richard Anderson, one chiropractic, one nutritionist, and naturopath. Great book. You really want to understand what is the root cause of the diseases. Okay, guys, this is all for now.